What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the 240 we're going to be doing body work. As you can tell, I already started taking some of the body kit off and everything. I finished sanding all of the roof, so basically all I have to do is just fill in a couple of spots. And as you can tell, the whole hood, it doesn't have the hood scoops anymore. And I also took the front bumpers off. All of it's over there. I took this fender off because it was junk, and I wanted to see what kind of damage and rust was underneath it, so I could plan to see what I have to do with that. So basically what I'm going to be doing today is just gonna sand down all of the Bondo. As you can tell, it's got a couple of layers of Bondo fiberglass. It had side skirts on it, or not side skirts, it had over front, like just plastic over fenders, like right here. So I know I got a couple of places I need to fix some rust. So I'm gonna start sanding this down, and then I'll get back with you guys. Another thing I forgot to mention, I'm actually gonna be using some 40 grit sandpaper to start it off and basically just get all the Bondo. So then I'll switch once everything's all complete and back to the OEM. I think I'm gonna switch to 80 grit. So let's get this going. Alright, so this is where I'm at right now with it. As you can tell, this has a lot of Bondo on it. So right here, this is all metal. Right here, that's all Bondo. So I'm gonna keep going at this, and we'll see how far we get with this. Alright, so I'm still sanding and everything. I have one little patch left, as you can see. It's right here. There's this right here is all regular paint. It's not Bondo, so that's a good thing. I still have a little bit right there, but as you can tell, this right here is surface rust. So I'm gonna fix all this after I tackle this. And what the guy did was, when he did the body kit, he also like riveted it in here and fiberglassed in here. So now, instead of just doing the quarters and the roof, I'm actually gonna have to now do the inside of the door. So that sucks, but I'm gonna sand this down also, and I'm basically just gonna fill these holes, just weld something up. This one is gonna be a little challenging because how it is, as you can tell, I might just cut like a brick out and just do it like that. And yeah, hopefully I finish this tonight, and I'm gonna keep on working on this. So next time on the next vlog, you will see the driver's side and the passenger side, and we'll see what kind of damage is on the passenger side, because I know it was hit on that side, so that's gonna suck. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.